Okay, everybody, I thought I'd wait until I got some outside corners on my angles. Look at this. Look at this. What do you think? Look at this. Absolutely amazing. Huh. Let's go to the other corners. Wow. I amaze myself. Look at this. Look at that. There's that beam. Built around the post. Got everything getting coated. 45, easy sand. Mix it. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Amazing results every time. That is beautiful work, everybody. Look at this. Come right up the steps. Turn around and go back down. Right here. Everything corner taped. Yeah. That's my custom soffit. Right there. Right there. Absolutely amazing results. That's what we do. Look at them outside corners. Look at the way I did this laundry room door. It's gonna have a bifold on it. See how the corners are taped right in? Didn't have the room, so I tape it right into the wood. And then when we shut the doors, it's just an unfinished side over here. That's it. And she will be beautiful. Amazing results, amazing work every time. Please like, share, subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks. The pro you need to know.